Hi guys, this is Lisa Gonzalez with Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort. I'm going to be showing you how to use your driver memory seats and mirrors, all programmed to whatever key fob you decide to use on a 2018 Chevrolet Impala. So when you buy a new vehicle, you're going to get two key fobs. Depending on if you have two drivers in the vehicle, you want to know how to program the driver memory seats and mirrors. So the driver memory seat and mirror option programmer is right here on the left side. You have a 1 and 2 button. So with this one, we're just going to program to the main driver. This is key fob 1, so we're going to set it as program 1. First, I'm going to just position the seat and make sure it's comfortable for me, and we'll make it go a little bit higher. And then the mirror, I also want to position that, make sure that's comfortable for me. Now I have the first key fob, so I'm going to hold this down and then press set 1, and when you hear a beeping sound, go 2 times, it's programmed. There you go. And that right there with the double beeping sound showed that you did program your mirror and your seat to the first key fob. Now when you want to do the second key fob, I don't have it with me, you hold set and program down at the same exact time. And that is the driver memory seats and mirrors on a 2018 Chevrolet Impala Premier.